Cubie is unlike any robot you've seen before. With its highly flexible body, it can rotate in multiple directions and move effortlessly on its tracks, offering a completely new experience. But what sets it apart is its behavior and built-in emotional system. Cubie has its own schedule, but it's also full of surprises, doing unexpected things on a whim. When you're ready for deeper interaction, Cubie is always in the zone. Whether it's playful teasing or a quick game, it's ready to bring fun to your day. Feeling bored? Cubie's character system lets it quickly switch between personas. A gamer, a desktop DJ, a mysterious hacker, each with unique interactions and themes. Powered by cutting-edge AI chips, including multiple LLMs and OpenClaw, Cubie understands your intentions and turns them into action instantly. It's more than just a conversation tool. Cubie's characters come to life, giving it a sense of personality. What makes Cubie truly special is its customization. Through the app, you can easily change its appearance and interactions. If you ever run out of ideas, the app's community will have the perfect creation for you. Just tap to switch to your favorite character. Cubie even has upgradable outfits.
Hi, I'm Cubie.
Who can go anywhere?
Here, that was close.
Be anyone.
Cubie.
And wear anything.
Yeah, all that.
Cubie has many friends.
Hey, buddy. What's up?
And it also loves to stay with
Keep
you.
doing it. Are you winning mates?
But do Cubie dream of an electric world?
I'm drifting off.
Maybe.
It's all in your hands. Join us and get your very own Cubie.